So this is our orange juice. Okay, we are coming to make orange juice. And orange juice, we have orange here and our carrot here. So see how we will start the orange juice. Watch out. My orange is already clean, so I'm removing the skin and dice it. Yeah. Sometimes even the white skin crack, you can add to, you can eat, no problem. It will not cost anything. So I'm using my hand because it's not going outside, but sometimes it's good for you to wear gloves. Yeah. So this is the diced orange here. This is my carrot. So I'm adding my carrot here. I'm cutting it into small because I don't want to sieve it. If I finish blending it, I don't want to sieve it. Yeah, so I'm cutting it into small, then I will blend it. I'm not going to add any sugar too. Yes, but if you are in your house and you want to make and add sugar, you are free to add. Yeah, but me, I'm not adding sugar. Yeah. So this is it. So this is our orange and carrot. So I'm putting it in my blender here. So now I'm adding chilled water to it. Yeah. Let's start blending it. So this is our orange juice. So our orange juice is done. So this is our orange juice, you see. I'm not going to sieve it because it's already soft. So this is my orange juice. So this is our orange juice. It's so